Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hisham, and you are learning vocabulary with Total Arabic in 3 levels. The Arabic words are color-coded: blue for masculine, purple for feminine, black for anything that applies to both masculine and feminine, green for phrases, and orange for the plural. Don't forget to share, like the video, and subscribe, enabling notifications for future videos. We will start with level 1. I will read the Arabic word or phrase, and I want you to guess the meaning. You have 5 seconds to say the translation before me. We are doing this level first to get you used to how Arabic words are pronounced, second, to remember their writing, and third, to train the brain to connect the sound and or the writing with the meaning. What does this mean? دفتر. دفتر means a copybook. دفتر, a copybook. فصل. فصل means a classroom. فصل, a classroom. زميل. زميل means either a classmate or a colleague. زميل, a classmate or a colleague. اسم. اسم means a name. اسم, a name. طبيب. طبيب means a doctor. طبيب, a doctor. أستاذ. أستاذ means a professor. أستاذ, a professor. تاجر. تاجر means a merchant. تاجر, a merchant. كبير. This is an adjective. كبير. كبير means big. كبير, big. That was great. Now we are at level 2. I will read the word or phrase in English and you need to say the equivalent in Arabic. If you don't remember, that simply means you need to practice more. Again, you have 5 seconds to give the answer before me. Before we start, I want you to understand why we are doing this. So the first goal is to provide you with the chance to say the word in Arabic. And here, I cannot stress enough that it is really important for you to say the Arabic word out loud. And the second goal is to train the brain to recognize the Arabic word by hearing or reading its translation in English. So now let's start. How do we say in Arabic a copybook? A copybook is دفتر. A copybook, دفتر. A classroom. A classroom is فصل. A classroom, فصل. A classmate or a colleague, زميل. A classmate or a colleague, زميل. A name, a name is اسم. A name, اسم. A doctor, a doctor is طبيب. A doctor, طبيب. A professor. A professor is أستاذ. A professor. أستاذ. A merchant. A merchant is تاجر. A merchant. تاجر. Big. Big is كبير. Big. كبير. Well done. You have reached level 3. I don't want you to stop here. I don't want you to give up. I want you to continue practicing. Now I will say the Arabic word and you will need to pause the video and try to write it down. When you finish, play the video and compare your writing with the one on the screen. If you are new to writing Arabic, Totally Arabic is offering a complete course for reading and writing Arabic. The link is in the description below. The goal of this level is to facilitate a long-term improvement in your vocabulary. Words stay with you longer when you write them down. So this is why writing words down is very, very important. So now let's start with the first word. Write in Arabic, دفتر. دفتر is on the screen. 4 letters. دفتر. فصل. فصل is on the screen. 3 letters. فصل. زميل. زميل is on the screen. 4 letters. زميل. اسم. اسم is on the screen. 3 letters. اسم. طبيب. طبيب is on the screen. 4 letters. طبيب. أستاذ. أستاذ is on the screen. 5 letters. أستاذ. تاجر. تاجر is on the screen. 4 letters. تاجر. كبير. كبير is on the screen. 4 letters. كبير. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the Totally Arabic community. If you have any questions about what I have covered in this video, feel free to ask. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel as Totally Arabic has more to offer in helping you learn, grasp, and speak Arabic. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.